Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about compact SUVs in India right now, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza. If you're planning to buy this car, or just love knowing about all the details under the hood, this video is for you. We'll break down every major component, the key upgrades, and how much everything costs. So let's get started. Exterior shots. Right from the outside, the 2025 Brezza gets a more refined and bold design. The front fascia now sports a sleeker grille with more aggressive styling. The LED headlamps are sharper, and dual-function DRLs come standard in most variants. The body cladding and skid plates give it a rugged SUV appeal, while the new alloy wheel design adds a premium touch. Now let's talk numbers. The front LED headlamp unit costs approximately a superscript 112,000 each if you ever need a replacement. The alloy wheels, which come in 16-inch for the mid-variants and 17-inch diamond-cut design for the top end, will cost around a superscript 111,000 per wheel. Interior shots. Step inside and things feel noticeably upscale. The 2025 Brezza now features a dual-tone dashboard with soft touch elements on the higher rims. There's a 9-inch Smart Play Pro Plus infotainment system, which supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The audio system, powered by Arcamis, sounds great for the segment. That 9-inch touchscreen alone costs about a superscript 132,000 in the aftermarket. The steering-mounted controls, which are now standard on most variants, would set you back a superscript 17,500 if replaced. You'll also notice the digital instrument cluster on the higher variants, which blends analog and digital design. That cluster will cost you around a superscript 115,000. Engine bay shot. Under the hood, the 2025 Brezza continues with the proven 1.5-litre K15C dual-jet petrol engine with smart hybrid tech. It delivers 103 bhp and 137 Nm of torque, not extreme numbers, but perfect for city and light highway duties. This engine is refined, fuel efficient, and BS6 Phase 2 compliant. The engine unit itself, if you're ever unfortunate enough to need a full replacement, is priced around a superscript 12.8 to a superscript 13 lakh. The 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox is smooth and adds about a superscript 1.2 lakh to the vehicle cost. The manual gearbox variant is more affordable and costs around a superscript 165,000 as a standalone component. Suspension chassis shots. The Brezza rides on McPherson struts in the front and a torsion beam in the rear, tuned for comfort over rough roads. If you're curious about replacement costs, front shock absorbers come in at about a superscript 14,500 each, and the rear ones are slightly cheaper, at a superscript 13,200 each. Safety features montage. Safety has seen a boost in the 2025 model. You now get up to 6 airbags in the top-end variant, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill hold assist, and a reverse parking camera with dynamic guidelines. Each airbag module can cost approximately a superscript 118,000, a superscript 125,000 depending on position. The ESP control unit is around a superscript 117,000. And the rear parking camera setup is a superscript 18,000, including sensors. Features montage. Some premium touches worth mentioning: a wireless charging pad, auto-dimming IRVM, 360-degree surround view camera, and a sunroof in the XC Plus variant. The sunroof alone adds about a superscript 160,000 to the component cost if installed or replaced. The wireless charging pad is around a superscript 16,000, and the 360-degree camera system is priced near a superscript 140,000 for the full module. Air conditioning system. The climate control system is automatic in the mid and top variants, and includes rear AC vents, a first for Brezza. The full AC system, including compressor, costs around a superscript 128,000. The AC display and control panel, that's around a superscript 19,000. Variants pricing slide. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza comes in 4 main variants, XC and XC Plus, and prices start from around a superscript 18.5 lakh and go up to a superscript 113.2 lakh ex-showroom, depending on the variant and transmission. The CNG variant also continues in 2025, and offers great mileage at a slightly reduced power output, ideal for urban users prioritizing savings. Expect the CNG kit and associated components to add about a superscript 195,000 to a superscript 11.1 lakh to the cost. Maintenance service. Regular servicing for the Brezza is relatively affordable. A typical yearly service costs between a superscript 15,000 and a superscript 17,500, including oil, filter, air filter, and general inspection. The battery, if replaced, is around a superscript 16,000. Tires, depending on brand and size, will cost about a superscript 16,000 to a superscript 19,000 each. Conclusion shots. So there you have it, a full breakdown of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza, its key components, and their costs. Whether you're considering buying one or just wanted to geek out on car tech and pricing, we hope this video helped you out. Let us know in the comments which feature or upgrade impressed you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews and deep dives just like this.